Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. I just have a couple little goodies that I wanted to unbox today, but because it's all pretty small things, or they're all small things, I figured I could just throw them together and do a quick little video. So obviously Amazon, and this is a little, I want to call it like a junk bag that I ordered because I've been keeping all my like tools that I need to keep handy in the empty tray from Elizabeth Ward bead storage system. But because those are hard to come by now, I've been ordering here and there the extras, because I do keep my like my sparklers and stuff in one. So I had so many of those that I just wanted to not take up the room for that. So this is what I'm going to do with this cool little pretty bag that I bought on, like I said, on Amazon. It was like $7, something like that. It was really cheap. I'll link it. But like all my little Who's-Its and my wets and my stuff that I just want to keep super handy, where I can just reach in and grab it really quick, not have to look for things or, you know, look all over for all my other stuff. So that's what I got this for. And like I said, I will link it in the description, but it was very inexpensive on Amazon, and I figured until until I find what I want, this was going to be perfect, and then I can use it for something else later. It's not it's not committed to being just for stuff. So yeah, and I still have a ton of room, and I already put most of everything I use on a regular basis besides my pens in there. So, and then I got some Paddy Waxx, but I'm not sure if this one is just called gold or if there's something different about it. And then the very next day she had posted one of her hold on one second. Anyhow, the very next day she had posted one of her another listing. Oh look, oh my gosh, you guys, I got some ABs as a free gift. It's AB 973 in square. I've seen other people get ABs from her as like a thank you or whatever, and I still got candy too. Thank you so much, Robin. You are the best. Oh my gosh, look at the sticker she sent me. I love owls. That is so cute. Yes, love. Oh my gosh, he's adorable too. And then this little guy with a macaroon. How cute are those? And then she always they always personalize your thing. They tell you thank you, and you know, I just super sweet of them. But this said it's the gold standard, so it's not a I mean, I think it kind of is a specialty tin or whatever, collector's tin, because none of them I've seen had that. And I actually got two because I'm going to do one in a giveaway that I will be announcing shortly. Then I got the vintage collection. So, and what was really cool, I thought, was I had ordered these, and then like I said, the very next day this popped up, and so I ordered that as well, which in all honesty, like when you see something like that the next day, and I hadn't got shipping notification on those yet, I didn't think anything of it, and she actually gave me a partial refund for shipping, since they weren't going to be shipping separately, they were going to be shipping together. And this is like a really pretty rose gold bag. I like that. Anyhow, not the point of what I'm talking about right now. So I thought that was really awesome of her to do that, and she didn't have to do that, so I really appreciate it. And this one is my second order from another company, and the first order took a long time to get here, which I totally understand. Plus that when I ordered it, it is an Etsy shop when I did order it. you know, right away she said, hey, shipping is crazy, it could take a really long time. And I'm like, nope, totally understand. I'm you know, I'm okay with that. It's not a problem. But I got it, this one I got really quickly. So, I mean, within a couple weeks. The first one was a while, like a couple months-ish. I did post a video about it the last time I ordered from them, so I know it's up there somewhere or down from this one. And it's another set of the Everlasting tips. And again, they're the single placers. I'm more comfortable single placing anyways. However, I can multi-place with like a 4 or even a 6, but I'm just more comfortable single placing. But I really enjoy her tips. I love them. And I think when I do my upcoming giveaway with the Paddy Waxx Super Sticky, that I'm also going to include, because I got another 4-pack, so I think I'm going to include 1 or 2 of those in the giveaway. And then I got stickers, which are the dinosaur stickers and bumblebee little bees. Those are really cute. My mother-in-law, her best friend, when her first grandbaby was born, they started calling her Honey. So her granddaughters, that's all, she has all girls, they all call her Honey, and I think that's so cute. So bees remind me of her. And then one of my work children, they're not children, they're adults, let me say that, but she is my work child. She has a bee obsession, so they also remind me of her, and those are really cute, and I might have to give some of those up to her because she loves them. So Katie, I got some cute little bee stickers going on right here. So here is, she has them all printed out on a really cool looking sheet of paper now that is all colored and everything, like color pictures and everything, and those are my Everlasting tips. And like I said, I'm obsessed with them. I just like the way everything works with them. I feel like they hold more wax. I also feel like they're not so hard on the drills, like they don't scratch up the drills or anything. I don't know what to tell y'all, but I am really heavy-handed. I just am. I try not to be, but I am. So I just feel like they are more gentle on my drills. So anyhow, I have a few things and I just wanted to share them with you guys. And like I said, I am going to be doing a giveaway that I will be announcing probably in the next week or so. And in that giveaway, I'm going to be giving away one of these tins, and 1 or 2 of the Everlasting tips. And I have some other goodies I want to throw in there too. So I hope you guys enjoy that when I do it. Anyhow, stay tuned for that. And as always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I post new videos. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.